So this is our dhaba style murg masala. Before we begin our recipe, if you are new to the family of Chef Prasad Creations, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon for new more recipes and update. And let's begin our recipe dhaba style chicken. Perfect, simple, tasty restaurant style murg masala. So we will begin with the masala that goes into it, and I am going to make a fresh masala out of Kashmiri red chili, then spicy chili which gives spiciness and color to the gravy, lots of coriander which is one small bowl, then there is 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon khaskhas or poppy seeds, then we have whole garam masala. We are going to dry roast this and make nice fiery red paste out of this. So let's begin. The real secret of this recipe or any Indian recipes, we need to roast the masalas, not burn but roast. That is how the flavors and the essential oils will come out and it will add nice flavor to the dish. So the kitchen is full of this aroma which has come out from the whole spices. That is the essence of Indian cuisine and I love that part very much. So next ingredients which goes in is khaskhas, which doesn't take long time to roast. So we are adding just once these masalas are half roasted. So we'll add khaskhas now. So I used the chicken with bone curry cut, and this is a 1 kg of chicken which I have marinated 2 hours prior. That will also make it quick, cook it very fast, and also it will give more intense flavor. Quite simple marination: 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half lemon and salt. That's all. And I have marinated this for 2 hours. Let's move on to the next step. Heated. So first step, we will add oil 4 tablespoons. So oil is hot enough. So I'm going to add one cardamom green, a small cinnamon stick, peppercorn and bay leaf into the oil. They are already sizzling. And then I'm going to add 2 big chopped onion, finely chopped. So we are going to use this French technique of searing the chicken, which I have already shown you, the marinated one for 2 hours. So I'm using a tawa which is very hot right now, and we are going to add a tablespoon of oil. So this is a French technique where they sear the chicken or meat, where we lock in all the marination and chicken get nicely cooked and colored. So that technique we are going to use it here in Indian cuisine. So this is kind of a new thing you are learning, and you can try this and your dish will turn out a perfect one. So this is the marinated chicken which I am going to put in the oil. So chicken is seared. You just take it out. You can have a look over it. How does it look? This is not fully cooked, but just kind of a 30% cooked, and we will just remove it. So this technique is called as searing, where all the marination gets seared or sealed into the chicken. Also the texture of the chicken gets quite improved. And next ingredient to go into the onion is ginger garlic paste, which is small bowl or 2 tablespoons. To add a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, which will give nice golden color and also it will enhance the flavor of the dish. So it is always advisable to add turmeric over the oil so that it can get nice color and it will add color to the gravy and it will give natural shine to the gravy. So after the turmeric, we are going to add a tomato puree. So I have grounded the masala which we have roasted. You can have a look at the color. Isn't it looking fiery red and thick? It will also add thickness to the gravy, flavor to the gravy, and nice hot red kind of a gravy, same like restaurant and hotel. So even the tomato puree is also cooked. Moisture is been absorbed and you can see it has got nice color. This is just the color is just from tomato and turmeric. We are going to add a red chili, the paste what we have made into it now. So let's add. Look at the thickness and the natural red color of the gravy. Isn't it looking same restaurant and hotel style murg masala? The top secret, and I have revealed it to you. You can make it. The seasoning or the salt, we are going to add it now. We'll just saute this chicken for a minute and then we will add the required quantity of water and we'll cook it over a slow flame. You can have a look. So the chicken pieces are nicely mixed. Now we will add the water. Now this is the water which I got from the mixer jar in which we have made paste. So same masala can be used. Now chicken is still not yet cooked. We will keep chicken over a slow flame and let it cook along with the gravy. We'll cook for 10 more minutes and that's it.